Hello everybody. This corner of the house is where I'm going to be installing the 200 watt Sylvania bulb. I will come back when it's dark, we'll look at the 100 and then the difference between it and the 200. Check back in a couple hours. It's finally nighttime. There's the 100 watt bulb. Let's get the 200 watt bulb in there and see what happens. A couple minutes later, here's the 200 watt bulb. That's quite amazing. Yes, very nice. That will work. Very, very nice. You can see down in the garden. Let's go from this angle. That is greatness. No problem at all seeing here now. Dang, that is nice. So once again, this is the installation of the 200 watt bulb. Thank you for watching.